We're here on the east side of Cayuga Lake at King Ferry Winery, and you're invited firsthand to experience what having a burning passion for fine winemaking really tastes like. Located halfway down the east shore of Cayuga Lake, the beautiful setting and scenery make that side of the lake a destination not to be missed. King Ferry Winery, being the oldest winery on the east shore, is celebrating its 20th anniversary this year. A farm winery producing world-class Trelevin wines, King Ferry is owned and operated by Tacy and Peter Saltonstall. Here, delicate vinifera grapes produce extremely complex and full-flavored wines. Trelevin Chardonnays are crafted in the centuries-old Burgundian tradition. While King Ferry Winery is widely acknowledged as a leading maker of superior, smooth, full-bodied Chardonnays, the winery produces 14 additional award-winning Trelevin wines, including a variety of exquisite Rieslings. King Ferry Winery is located at 658 Lake Road in King Ferry, New York, and is open 7 days a week, February through December, closed during the month of January. Tours are conducted by the knowledgeable staff and culminate in a visit to the tasting room gallery, where guests sample fine Trelevin vintages in a beautiful gallery setting featuring local artists. Known for their world-class Chardonnays, Rieslings, and exceptional customer service, King Ferry invites you to come taste the artistry in a casual, relaxing atmosphere and experience all that Cayuga's east side has to offer.
Besides being in all your local liquor stores, we're also at throughout the summer, and even going sometimes straight through till Christmas. We'll be at the Elmira Thursday Windsor's Market, we'll be at the Syracuse Regional Market, as well as the Ithaca Farmers Market.
In addition to King Ferry, enjoy all that is offered through the Aurora Merchants Association and the Cayuga East Shore Merchants and more. You're invited to discover world-class wine country right here in New York. Just visit NewYorkWines.org on the web and plan your trip to Uncork, New York. So it really is worth the trip to the east side of Cayuga Lake and a stop at King Ferry Winery.